Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Instagram login security to reduce phishing risks step by step clearly. Start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Next, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap on them. In the menu that appears, select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Security. Under the Security section, locate and tap on Two-Factor Authentication. You will see an option to enable tap on Get Started. You can choose your preferred method for receiving codes. Select either text message or authentication app. If you choose text message, enter your phone number and tap Next. Enter the code into the app and tap Next to verify. If you selected authentication app, choose a compatible app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Follow the prompts to create a new entry in your authentication app. Scan the QR code displayed on Instagram or enter the setup key manually. Once the app generates a code, enter it back in Instagram and tap Next. After verification, two-factor authentication will be activated. For added security, you can also enable Save Backup Codes. These codes can be used if you lose access to your primary authentication method. Store your backup codes in a safe place. Review your settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. You have now successfully connected Instagram login security to reduce phishing risks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.